Okay, here we are in beautiful Bucharest, Romania, and this is the Arc de Triumf, and we're going around it. Then there's Mark, who's going to face me so I can see him. He's going to say hi. And then I apologize, Claudio. It's early. I'm tired. So, Claudio, if you don't mind, just tell us the background of the Arc de Triumf again. I know you explained it, but I was busy getting the camera ready.
Arc de Triumf represents the union between Romanian countries and Transylvania.
It represents the unification between Romania and Transylvania, the Romanian countries. And what were the Romanian countries?
Because before that, till to 1859, we had here the three areas. So the south of the country was Valahia, where we are now, till to Brancastel. From Brancastel up northwest, we had Transylvania. And from Brancastel east north, we had Moldova.
Oh.
In 1859, 24 of December, we'll have the unification between Moldova and Valahia. Those two, they will become Romanian countries.
Ah, okay.
And later on, in 1918, we'll have Romanian country with Transylvania, and they will become Great Romania, what you see today on the map.
Okay. So, what's so great about travel is you learn about history firsthand. Okay, you can read the book, but it's only when you actually see, you go to the country, meet the people, and see the different, the architecture and the symbols and culture. Okay, there's something coming up. What is this beautiful thing coming up? Yeah.
This is the Spark House, built in 1927. In the Ceausescu time, the communist era, was the only one media house. There we had the television.
Oh, the media house is where we had television. So this was during Ceausescu?
Yes.
And it was the Soviet rule?
In the same purpose, but
communist
different
rule.
channels, probably.
Say it again, please.
Today it's used in the same purpose.
Oh, the radio and TV.
Yes, there are some.
Okay. All right, so come with us, Eva and Mark, when we take you all over Bucharest. Stay tuned. We're going to see a lot more. Enjoy.